Hey guys, this is how I set up my home switch. I have a switch connected as normally closed to input number 6 of the ACORN board. Now, eventually, I'll be adding individual switches to the axes X, Y, and Z, all connected in series. Thus, I'll be only using one input on the ACORN board. Now, what this does is when you hit the reset home, the axis will do a fast move, hits the switch, backs off, then does a slow move, hits the switch again, backs off, then set to machine 0. Now, two important settings to take note of. On the wizard, since I connected it to input number 6, input 6 will be marked as unused. On the axis configuration, I set a random high number for my X and Y as 500, while my Z, since my 0 is on top, my movement for Z direction is going to be on the negative. Now make sure that you have a backup copy of the home file elsewhere on your computer, as every time you write the settings, it will overwrite the existing file. I'm not going to do that now as I've already set up my home file. Sorry for the shaky camera, I'm working alone. Now, I'll hit the reset home, having the switch in hand. Z does a fast move, hits the switch, backs off, does a slow move, hits the switch again, backs off, set to 0. X does a fast move, hits the switch, backs off, does a slow move, hits the switch again. Y does a fast move, hits the switch, backs off, does a slow move, backs off, then set machine 0. Now let's see that again. And that's it. I'll be putting a link to the description below to the Centroid forum where I posted the file. Now you can tweak it to your specifications, as I have placed comments so you can modify to your need. That's it. Thanks.